Wait, what if I told you there's a hidden niche on YouTube? With almost zero competition, where one channel posted just 19 videos and gained over 50,000 subscribers in a month? Sounds insane, right? But it's real. And if you don't act fast, someone else will take your spot. Here's how you can copy the exact same strategy, step by step. Step 1. Find viral content. Download an app called Kwai. Now go to Google and search English to Chinese. In the English box, type, "A Peng brother explores the structure." Copy the Chinese text, paste it into Kwai's search bar. Now find a video that looks interesting. Copy its link and use Kwai Video Downloader to download it. Step 2. Write the script. Option 1. Watch the video and rewrite it in your own words. Or use tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to help you out. Option 2. Search for transcript generator on Google. Generate a script in your language and edit it slightly. Step 3. Add voiceover. Option A. Use 11 Labs to generate a natural-sounding voice. Option B. Use modded versions of CapCut or V.io with text-to-speech unlocked. Step 4. Edit the video. Mute the original. Adjust brightness to 5, saturation to 20, sharpness to 60, and vignette to 20. Flip the video for uniqueness. Add text overlays, use filters, and apply auto captions in CapCut Pro. Now your video is ready.
यह रस्सी है। जब आप लकड़ी का एक तख्ता उठाते हैं तो रस्सी एक कोण बनाती है। जब 3 लकड़ी के बोर्ड ऊपर उठाए जाते हैं तो एक मोड़ रेखा बनती है। यदि कई लकड़ी के बोर्ड लटकाए जाएं तो रस्सी द्वारा बनाई गई टूटी हुई रेखा छाप।
Here's your final tip. Post at least one short every day. Even if views are low at first, don't stop. This niche is wide open. The algorithm just needs to see your consistency. Now imagine this. It's 2026. Your channel is monetized. You're earning real income. And it all started today because you took action. So if this helped you, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more powerful strategies to grow fast on YouTube. Let's build your dream channel together.